Hey everyone. Yesterday, I took my AVATR, freshly upgraded with Huawei's ADS 3.0 intelligent driving system, out for a coffee run. You know, the usual pre-afternoon slump pick-me-up. ADS 3.0 is noticeably more proactive with lane changes. It smartly picked a lane with less traffic. I was enjoying the hands-free driving experience when things almost went south. Huge thanks to ADS 3.0 for saving her and me. Let's look at the dashcam footage and see if I could have stopped in time. I didn't even see the scooter until this moment. Look at the progress bar. Full stop in 2 seconds. How's that for AEB response time? ADS 3.0, pretty impressive. Right.